Welcome to an overview of ETL process, the foundation of efficient data warehousing. So we will discuss about the process of ETL, what ETL stands for, how it is related to data warehousing and its related points. So we'll go next. So agenda for today's video is to take an overview of an ETL design. Here's what we will cover today. An introduction to ETL, the steps to design its architecture, and deep dive into the components and the summary of the key principles. So let's go to into the pointers. So the first question, what is ETL? ETL stands for extract, transform and load. It is a process of moving data from source system into the data warehouse, ensuring it's clean, accurate and ready for decision making. This forms the backbone of effective data analysis and reporting. So why it matters? Uh, because the data warehousing, we need a data which is more accurate, clean, so that it will be easy to make a decision or to process the data. So if you look at this chart, or we can say a picture, it shows the step-by-step process what it stands for. Slide. So next, to understand the architecture of ETL process, the ETL architecture involves key five components like the source, the data source, the staging area, the where the warehouse where the data is stored, and the data marts where the data is got targeted or a structure is formed at the destination system, and later on it is accessed by the uh, users or for the analytics and reporting purpose. So the major component, the databases, source system, the data sources stands for databases, the files, the application, web services, all these we can say a raw data from where we get all the data sources. The data staging area, it is a temporary storage of cleaning and transforming a data where we remove the uh, robustness of the data and transfer it to the transformation area. The transformation area is nothing but the warehouse where the tools and the process of data transformation happens, like we use Excel, SQL tools, like the software tools we can say. And the target data warehouse means the schema and the structure where the the system has been prepared. So from where we can extract the data and use for our analytics. So the last phase is data access tools, like to report and analyze the data. We use that data. So that is the thing we use in architecture. This is what the architecture looks like. Yeah. So in a short way, to summarize the ETL design process, the key takeaways we take as from the diverse sources, transform it to meet the business needs, and load it into the centralized repository. We optimize for the performance, scalability, and the security purpose. And yes, the data, we make sure the entire data quality and accuracy and the recovery mechanism is ensured. So this summarizes all the ETL process design. That's all we have for the ETL process. Thank you for watching this video. You can unlock the full potential of data for strategic decision making if you understand the ETL process. Thank you.